What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Today we will be making these fantastic protein brownie batter oats. In a large mixing bowl, mix 1 cup of coconut milk with 2 scoops of chocolate protein powder. I'm using Orgains creamy chocolate fudge powder. Whisk it all together until all the lumps are gone. Next, add 2 tablespoons of cacao powder and 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract. Whisk again. Once it's nice and fudgy, add in a half cup of rolled oats and your favorite chocolate chips. Whisk again and place it in your fridge for at least an hour. You can put this in a mason jar so they're ready to grab and go in the mornings, or just stick your finger in there and dig in. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to my channel for more deliciousness to come.